In this video, I am going to share how to change the region in TikTok Lite. There is no direct way to change the region on TikTok Lite because the app automatically detects your current IP address and your watching algorithm, which is why it chooses your region. However, there are some methods that can help you change the region. The first step is to open your TikTok Lite app. Now you will see the three dots in the upper right corner. Click on them and then click on Privacy and Settings. Here, you will see the app language option. Click on it and select the language of the region you want. The second step is to open your mobile settings. Here, click on Language and Region. After that, select the region and language you want. In the last step, install a good VPN. If you want a free VPN, then Super VPN is a good choice. Select the region you want and connect to the VPN. That's it. I hope you will start seeing the country or region content that you want.